For our problem number 4, a reverse curve connects two converging tangents that intersect at an angle of 35 degrees. The distance of this intersection from the PI of the second curve is 175 meters. The deflection angle of the common tangent from the back tangent is 25 degrees, and the degree of curve of the second curve is 5 degrees. Determine the degree of curvature of the first curve. So ang hinahanap dyan ay yung D1. Okay? Degree of curve of the first curve. So yan yung kailangan nating ma-solve. Okay? So ipakita muna natin kung paano nangyari to. So meron daw tayong converging tangents that intersect at an angle of 35 degrees. So nag-intersect, nag-converge yung back tangent. Diba yung scenario natin kanina? Ang pwedeng mangyari doon kapag converging tangents, mag-i-intersect yung back tangent ng first curve and yung forward tangent kapag in-extend natin to. Okay, so ganyan yung itsura niya. I-draw natin to. So let's say, nandito yung line, yung extended line ng ating first curve for the back tangent. Ayan. Then, andito yung ating ganito ko lang. Then, andito naman yung ating tangent. So, nag-meet sila dito. Erase. Okay, meron daw intersection angle. We have 35 degrees. Okay. So, paano nangyari yon? So, let's say, andito yung ating tangent ng first curve. Second curve, I should say. Diba, ito yung ating tangent, extension ng back tangent ng ating first curve. So, kung nandyan yung extension ng back tangent ng first curve, let's say, nandito ngayon yung kanyang forward tangent. And ito rin naman yung tangent na to. And this one is the common tangent na. Okay? So again, this is the back tangent of the first curve. Kapag in-extend natin to, pag ganyan, ito naman yung forward tangent ng second curve. Kapag in-extend natin to, nag-meet sila dito. So, asan na ngayon yung curve? Ito na siya. Okay, nandito na ngayon yung ating curve. Yung colored yellow. So, kapag nakahiga yung tangent na to, syempre, yung radius niya, dapat perpendicular. Let's say, andito yung kanyang radius. Okay? And if this is our point of reverse curvature, kaya na ngayon yung ating curve. This is the first radius, R1, R2 ito. Okay? So, naintindihan niyo ba kung paano nangyari yon? Any question? Can you please heart react kapag nagets ninyo kung paano nangyari yung ating reverse curve? Okay, thank you. So, ilagay natin yung mga measurement natin. The distance of this intersection, so ito daw yung intersection natin, from the PI of the second curve. So, asan yung PI ng second curve? Di ba ito? This is the PI of the second curve. So, yung distance daw dyan, papunta doon sa point of intersection ay 175 meters. Nakalagay dito. Then, the deflection angle of the common tangent from the back tangent. So, asan yung back tangent? Di ba ito? And yung deflection angle daw niyan, yung deflection ng common tangent, ito yung common tangent natin. Di ba yung deflection angle? Kapag in-extend natin to, ito yon. So, the deflection angle of that is equivalent to 25 degrees. So, ito yon. 25 degrees. Next, the degree of curve of the second curve is 5 degrees. Determine the degree of curvature of the first curve. So, ang hinahanap is, this is our back tangent. So, asan na ngayon yung PC? This is PC. At this point, this is our PRC. And this is our PT. Okay? This is still our T1, T1, T2, and T2. Okay? So, ilagay ko yung I natin. Kung mapapansin nyo guys, yung 25 degrees, that is the intersecting angle between the back and forward tangent of the first curve guys, no? So that is also the intersecting angle na, no? That is also the I na rin ng first curve. So yan na rin yung I1 ng ating first curve. And ito naman, this is our I2. And asan yun? Di ba ito yon? This is our I2. Okay? So, paano natin masosolve muna si I1 and I2? So, alam na natin si I1. Paano natin masosolve si I2 muna? Iba ito si I2. Kung ito ay 180 degrees, kailangan ko lang i-minus yung angle na to. Yung angle na to. Ito guys, no? So, pangalanan ko to as angle theta. Okay? Pero paano ko muna masosolve si angle theta? Kung mapapansin ninyo, this is a triangle. How can I solve for the angle theta? That is equivalent to 180 degrees minus 25 minus 35. Okay? So that is equivalent to, solve ko muna si theta. Solve for I2. Pero para ma-solve ko si I2, kailangan kong muna si theta. That is 180 degrees minus theta. But how can I solve for theta? That is 180 degrees. Para ma-solve ko si I2 guys, di ba? If this is 180 degrees, So, ima-minus ko si theta. Pero para makuha ko si theta, that is 180 degrees minus 35 minus 25 minus 35. And this is equivalent now to 120 degrees. And to solve for I2, that is equivalent to 180 degrees minus 120 degrees. Therefore, our I2 will be 60 degrees. Okay? So again, to solve, ang kailangan natin ay isolve si degree of curvature from our first curve D1. Wala namang sinabi kung anong basis natin. So always, for priority natin ay arc basis. D1 is equivalent to 1145.916 R1. So kailangan muna nating ma-solve si R1. Okay? Para makapag-solve tayo ng D1. Next, given naman yung ating degree of curve from the first curve, then we can solve for the value of R2. So, isolve muna natin yung R2. R2 is equivalent to 1145.916 over degree of curve of the second curve, 5 degrees. So, R2 is equivalent to 229.1832 meters. Okay, so given naman yung R2, we can now solve for the value of T2. Okay, so T2 is equivalent to R2 tangent I2 over 2. So for T2, 229.1832 tangent I2 given naman na 60 or na-solve na natin. 60 degrees over 2. And finally, T2 will be equivalent to 132.3190. Okay? So paano natin ngayon masosolve si R1? Diba kailangan muna natin masolve si T1, no? Then T1, that is equivalent to R1 tangent I1 over 2. Makukuha na natin si R1. Then finally, we can now solve for the degree of curve of the first curve. But how can we solve for the value of T1? Okay? So paano muna natin masosolve si T1? So T1 is equivalent to sabi nga natin kanina, T1 is equivalent to R1 tangent I1 over 2. Makukuha na natin yung degree of curve. Ano natin masosolve si T1, di ba meron tayong common tangent, meron naman na rin tayong T2. Di kailangan na lang natin yung common tangent, then i-minus natin si T2, makukuha na natin si T1. No? Or i-resin ko muna to. So common tangent is equivalent to T1 plus T2. Paano natin ngayon masosolve si T1? Given naman na si T2 ito. Okay, so ang kailangan muna natin ay masolve pala si common tangent. But how can we solve that? Tingnan natin yung triangle na ito, guys. This triangle, punta dito. Or itong triangle na to. Okay? So kapag iniredraw ko yan, this will become like this. Di ba? From PI ng second curve papunta dito sa point of intersection, yun ay 175 meters and 35 degrees. This is 175 meters and this is 35 degrees. As well as this is 25 degrees din. Ang kailangan natin ay yung CT, yung common tangent. Di ba yung common tangent natin ay ito? So ito siya. Ito yung common tangent natin. This is now our common tangent. Kung mapapansin ninyo, pwede tayong mag-sign law guys, no? To solve for common tangent, that is CT, common tangent over sine 35 degrees is equal to 175 over sine 25 degrees. Okay, we can now solve for the value of our common tangent. So for our common tangent, will be equivalent now to common tangent will now be equivalent to 237.5096 meters, and we can now solve for the value of T1. Okay, so for T1, that is equivalent now to T1 common tangent minus T2 na lang guys, no? Common tangent, which is 237.5096 minus T2. Na-solve na natin kanina, 132.3190. And finally, our tangent one will be equivalent now to 105.1906 meters. And going back dito kanina, solve muna natin si R1. So T1 is equal to R1 tangent I1 over 2. So therefore, our radius 1 will be equivalent to T1, 105.1906 divided by tangent from the first curve I1, which is, ano yung I1 natin? 25 degrees. Okay? 25 degrees. Over 2. So R1 will be equivalent now to 474.4841. Okay? So given na si R1, then finally, we can now solve for the value of the degree of curve of the first curve. So D1 will be equivalent now to 1145.916 over R1, 474.4841. Finally, the degree of curve of the first curve will be equivalent now to 2.4151 degrees. And this is now our answer. And that ends our topic, reverse curve.